Go. I think you lost something. Oh, your pants are all wet. I mean, all white.
Okay, what'd I lose?
Yeah. Right there is very, very, very stupid. I hate every person in that house except for the dog. And that person right there is a nut bum.
I have better reasons to hate.
Well, I'm shutting off.